Imagine a situation. The markets are continuously falling. The traders and investors are already convinced that the market is going to be in a downtrend. And then out of nowhere, a strong bullish candle comes, especially if there is a good support zone and it engulfs previous 7, 8 candles. Then how powerful will that one candle be? This one candle can change the existing trend that is going in the market totally. This one candle is that powerful candle, and that one candle we are going to discuss in today's video. Hi friends, Dr. Joe here, and welcome to this video. I hope you all are doing great. Let's continue with our discussion. When the markets are continuously falling and you see a few days or few weeks or few months, the market has been consistently making bearish candles. And then when you see one strong bullish candle, especially if it is at a support zone, this really means that the sentiments of the markets is changing. The bulls are now into action and they feel that this is a great price to enter into a financial instrument and take it over from there. The next important thing is the volume that is created because of this one big candle. There is a lot of selling happening, but much more buying happening at this particular price. So this clearly shows that the price is very, very attractive for the buyers to enter the market and take the price up from there. Most importantly, when this happens at a key support zone, yes, when it happens at a key support zone, it clearly shows that this particular support is a very, very strong support and buyers were waiting at this support to enter the market. This support zone also becomes like a psychological impact zone because the buyers were waiting over there. They were psychologically sure that this is a great price to enter in, and they enter at this price with full force. They are not waiting anymore. The candle is so bullish that the buyers were not even thinking whether should they wait any further. As soon as the price hit the support zone, they all entered with a buy. Once a big candle, a good engulfing candle is created at a support zone, it changes everything about technical analysis also. All the indicators immediately get diverted and it becomes bullish because this one candle has engulfed 5, 6, maybe even 7 bearish candles that were created before that. So this is a very, very powerful candle that is engulfing all the previous bearish candles. Whenever such one big engulfing candle is created, you can enter at the end of this candle, but then your stop loss becomes very, very big. So when you want to enter after such a big candle immediately, you can keep the stop loss at 50% of this candle. Second, what you can do is when such a big candle is created in the market from a great support zone, there will be a lot of traders who want to exit the trade. So normally after one big candle, you might see small candles being created after that. And that is where you will see a new support is getting created before the price takes another hike in the price. So this is where you can enter with the stop loss below the new support zone. So friends, I hope that this video has made it clear that how one big engulfing candle can change the way people are thinking in the market. It changes the psychology of the market. It changes everything that's happening in the markets. So one candle can be a very, very strong candle. And whenever you are trading or investing, this one candle is something that you should always look for. After a good downtrend, if you see one good engulfing candle, go for it. Friends, whenever you're trading, there's a lot of risk. So remember, do not invest all your hard-earned money into one trade. Always have your risk management in place. Do not invest more than 2%, or even better invest 1%, or even better invest 0.5% in each trade. This way, your risk will be always under control and you will never fear the markets. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating content, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who would want to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Every time I see a new subscriber, I feel motivated to create more and more videos for you. Friends, I always say, if you really want to make it big in the markets, you have to have a lot of patience, you need to practice, and you need to have persistence in the market. And all I can say is keep learning, keep growing, and keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.